Now this is how the Tesla Model Y looks without the window deflectors, rain guards. And in a few moments, you're gonna see the rain guards already installed. So in 3, 2, 1. Now here it is. Not sure if you guys can see it, but here you go. Zoom in a little bit. There it is. It's not going to give you the most protection from the rain, but it leaves a little bit of ventilation. You get some fresh air from the outside, and it's a nice autumn breeze. And it really looks seamless. You can't even tell that it's on the Tesla. And it matches the rest really well, the matte black. I like it. Oh no, this one scrapes a little. I think this one has to go up a little bit. Alright, let me see if I can fix it. This one needs to go up a little higher. Okay. Okay, that's good. Alright, so here is everything all installed. It looks good. It looks very sleek. It matches the matte black. Let's see if I could close the trunk. Does it fit? Yeah, it looks great. Opening. I'm not sure if this is good or not. It's not the most seamless, but everything opens like that. The back opens before it opens. It's very, very, like as you can see from here, very, very slim. But what is that? So I think it'll just open it slowly. I think over time it will. I'm afraid it might fall down, but 3M tape works. The matte black actually fits really well with the rest of the theme, the wheels. And from here, it leaves just a little bit. Like I'm gonna roll the windows down just a little bit, and you can see the crack, and that's about it. Just a little crack, right? But it's all I need, I guess. My main concern is whether or not this will cause any kind of additional noise, wind noise, when I'm traveling on highway speeds. So far, it looks great. So again, this product is from Tesmanian. I bought this with my own money, not sponsored by them. And I chose them because they offer the discount and they offer the cheapest product. But overall, average cost for these type of uni style 1 bar, or kind of like a 1 bar type of window visor, is about 119. I got these for about 80 or so. WeatherTech's around that price, I guess, for my previous one. So I guess I went ahead and I spent the price on it. And the thing with the stick-ons, it doesn't mess with the weather stripping. It doesn't cause gaps. So I like that. And we'll see how it goes in the long run. But definitely I needed some type of window rain guards, window deflectors to get some fresh air from the outside in, especially with this autumn weather that we're having. My favorite. And on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.